Hello everyone, so we have a new project today. If you are interested in cryptocurrencies and want to get more information about cryptocurrencies, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Bits Online and press the bell icon for latest update. We have a new project today. Its name is Macroverse. So this is a homepage of Macroverse project. So in the top of this website we can see our homepage, about us, and macro NFT. So welcome to Macroverse. Build, play, and engage in an all immersive world with endless opportunities. Start here to exploring. So basically this is a desktop variant game. If you are click here to play game online, so this is unavailable right now. So here is collect, amass a collection that is uniquely yours. Discover exclusive NFT collections not found anywhere else, and even use them across an ever expanding metaverse of game and social activities. Dress up your character in NFT variables, gear up with NFT equipment, and set forth on an epic adventure. Trade, the ultimate NFT trading marketplace. The Macroverse marketplace houses every digital asset that you can possible conceive of. Buy and sell NFTs as well as other involved atoms with other users, powered by our proprietary liquid matching engine and backed by on-chain data. Enjoy liquidity backed prices on all your NFTs. Explore. Smash through the boundaries of the real world. The boundaries of the real and digital worlds start the intersect when you enter the microwaves. Visit stunning landscapes, sprawling metropolis, and jaw-dropping sceneries, or create a masterpiece on your own palette of land to impress. So, about microwaves, the future of extended reality. Users will have full reign to explore this extended reality space, and they can enjoy exacting game mechanics, social networking activities, and a wide array of products and services that promises to deliver a fun and exhilarating journey. So click here to learn more information and view GIT book, and here is contact us. You will find us at all horse on Telegram. So get in touch through click here and get the latest update. Join our social media channels so you never miss a beat. So for the latest update you can follow them on Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and Reddit and Telegram. So this is a homepage BSC scan. We are added our token in this website. If you are search manually, you can open new tab and search bscscan.com/token slash token contract address. So I remember that this is a token contract address. So don't worry, we are all the informations and all the links put in the descriptions. There is some options like buy, exchange, earn, and gaming. So profile summary is contract address. You can click here to copy before. So decimals is 18s, and official site is www.macroverse.global slash, and in the overview price is $0 and fully dilated market cap is $0, and total supply is a lot of amount uh, of this token, and holders is 9,845, and transfers 26,431. So here is recently transfers. You can see here 12 minutes ago, 47 minutes ago. So here is some transactions and informations like quantity, TXS hash, method, age, from, to, quantity, etc. This is second website. Here is some information about these tokens. You can, if you are search manually, you are search just coinmarketcap.com/currencies/macrovars. So this is some currencies of macrovars. So you can see here in the amount of dollars. Here is some graphs you can see here of mining of this token, and here is MVP price statistics. So you can see here the last. I will show you that how we are buy this token and which website to buy this token. So this is a difficult method between PancakeSwap. So we have a website, this one, its name is CoinW, and here is our token. You can see here by MVP. MVP is a symbol of our token, and you can see here MVP buy and MVP sale. This is two options. If you are want to sell your token, you can click here, login and sign up, and if you are want to buy your token, you can click here to login or sign up. I am already registered in this website. You can registered in this website. So first of all, you can add your phone number if you are you want to open account with your phone number. If you have an email address, you can add email address and enter password. So password is like including uppercase and lowercase letters, including numbers. First word is capital and other one small letters, and one symbols and like one character, one number, like this. If you are registered from your phone number, you can add your number and password and verification code. I am already registered, so I log in this website. So I am successfully logged in this website. You can see top of this website, buy crypto, market, future, trade, finance, fansub, coins, and more. If you are want to buy your token, you can click here to trade and sport. So we are added our token MVP. If you are search automatically, we are add a link in the description. So this is a USD. If you have USD, you add some amount like $10, and $10 is this is just for example. So I cannot have a balance in my on this website. You can see here your available balance is insufficient, so I cannot have balance. If you are want to deposit your balance in this website, you can click here to deposit. So here is information. If you want to buy CNYT, if you want to buy USDT, if you want to buy BTC and Ethereum, like your cryptocurrencies. So I deposit some USDT, like I deposit, click to deposit. So here is a link. You can copy here and paste in your wallet. You can easily deposit in this website. You cannot want to this process, you can easily search the QR code for the deposit. So complete this process, you can easily buy this token from this website. So this was a little bit review of this website. If you are interested in our content, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.